Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite compatible GPU problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, first click here and then type Windows Update Settings, and then make sure to install all the updates that you will find here. And now go back and then click here and type View Advanced System Settings, and click on it. And after that, once you're here, click Settings and then go to Advanced, and once you're here, click Change and then disable this option and enable check this one, custom size. Now type here 1024, and then in second one you need to multiply this number with how many RAM you have. Like if you have 8, just multiply it with 8 and like 1024 and multiply it with 8, and then type the number that you will find here and then click set and OK, and that's it. Then OK again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.